Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm excited. I'm up. I'm up this morning. It's bright and early. Guess what time it is? Come on, let's go over here with the computer. Yeah. Look what time it is. 6:41 a.m. Guys, I'm up, ready to rock and roll. Got my computer up. All right, this is how I build my business early in the morning. But I want to show you guys, I got my postcards ready to rock and roll, to go out in the mail. I got my pill and stick labels. I got 1,000 names on pill and stick labels getting ready to mail out to guys. Guys, if you're looking for a part-time income that you can do, all right, so these going to be your little selling agents right here. I'm able to make up to $25 all the way up to $3,500 a pop just by mailing these postcards. And all I'm doing is I'm directing them exactly to the website. All right, they have my ID number where they can join with me. All right, get them started, get them rolling. They get all my bonuses. I get them plugged into our Facebook group, get them up and running, and show them exactly how to build their business. All right, what I love about this business, guys, is we can earn on 8 levels. Look at that. 8 levels, guys. And guess how much it's going to cost for you to get in? Only $50. That's phase 1. Come in at $50, guys. You're able to earn $25 a pop. That's what I got on my postcard. All right, $25 a pop, all the way up to $3,500. Can you imagine getting a check in the mail? Somebody came in at level 8. As long as you are at level 8, you get $3,500. All right, so I'm gonna show you what level I am on. I'm on level 3, getting ready to jump up to level 4. Okay, I'm gonna keep upgrading until I get to level 8. All right, so level 3. Okay, level 3 is a good area to come in. You're able to earn $700 a pop. Your sponsor will earn $200, and the admin will earn $100. Okay, this program is booming. Okay, if you're looking for a part-time business, you could do part-time. Can you mail a simple postcard just like this? Okay, this is the original postcard right here. It's the company postcards that you would get. Once you become a member and join on the first level, the company will mail you 200 postcards and leads every time you bring somebody into the business opportunity. This is the postcard that I created. So once you come aboard and join me on my team, you will get a template. I'll show you exactly where I get these made and printed. All right. I'll show you exactly how I'm getting my stamps at a discounted price once you come on board. All right. So not only am I driving traffic offline, but I'm driving traffic online as well. Okay. This is my mailing platform. This is what I'm doing every single day to drive traffic to my business opportunity. Okay, so what if you're not good at driving leads online? Guys, let these postcards right here do the selling and telling for you. Simple, easy, duplicatable. Anybody can wake up in the morning, go to the post office, and drop a stack of postcards in the mail. And once it hit people's mailbox, all right, so I got this secret thing on my postcards is going to make sure that it get delivered. Okay, it's not going to be returned. That word right there, or current residence. As long as you have that on your postcards, guys, it will get delivered to the address. Okay, or the people that are currently occupying the residence. This is powerful, guys. If you're looking for a simple, easy, duplicatable business, this is it. We have our own Facebook group. I'm going to get you plugged in, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm building this simple business each and every day. And these are the levels. Look at the levels, guys. And the great thing about it, once you start building your business, once your team start growing, you're going to start getting those residual checks in the mailbox. Okay. In the mailbox, everything is on this postcard for you. Do all the selling and telling for you. They can mail their payment in. They can join right there, as you can see, online. Okay, they can join online to get paid faster, to get in faster. 8 level, 2 pay positions per level. If you're looking for a simple, easy, duplicatable business, this is it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to drop these off in the mailbox. These are going to be my little selling agents. All right, so once they start hitting people's mailbox, they're going to go to the website that's on the postcard to get more information. And guess what, guys? I will get the sale for it, and JD Marketing is going to mail me a check in the mail. All right, not only that. All right, here you go. This is my little area right here, guys. I'm working right here. Yeah. All right, so this platform right here is called My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. This is how I'm getting traffic online. Okay, so I already got my email ready to rock and roll. Let's go right there. All right, you see I got my email ready to rock and roll. That's me right there. All right, so let's preview. All right, let's take a look at it to make sure everything right. And I always double check to make sure that my link is working. So let's click on the link, just make sure it's working. And let's see. All right, boom, there we go. It goes to my website. Discover the #1 system that is pocketing average people $2,500 to $3,500 in cash. All right, so once they are in my system will take over. They will get emails on a daily basis until they're ready to join the business opportunity. I have my phone number, my email address where people can contact me. If they want to get a little bit more information, just let them know I am a real person. Simple postcard system, $50 to start up. Let's go. Let's make this mailbox money. See you in the next video. Peace.